Hi everyone, Dave here. As we wrap up another great school year, the Tech Solution team wants to make sure your classroom equipment is safe and ready for your return this fall. To ensure you get your specific Chromebook cart and the other equipment back in August, we're providing the technology storage checklist as we have in the past. Please print the form and list the devices being stored in your assigned technology cart or cabinet. Check off and initial each item, especially those easily misplaced projector remotes. Finally, sign the form and include your room number. Securely adhere the completed form directly to your cart or cabinet. Remember, any devices not checked in on this form are assumed to be in your possession over the summer. If you are leaving District 47, please turn in your laptop, iPad, and other equipment to your school admin or the tech office by your last day. For iPads and Apple devices, you must log out of iCloud, iTunes, and the Find My service before handing in your devices. Bonus year-end tips. Power down. Fully shut down and unplug all non-essential tech to protect against power surges during summer maintenance. Organize those cords. Use a rubber band or wire tie to keep chargers with their specific devices. It saves hours of untangling in the fall. And thank you for all your hard work this year. Great job getting these devices tucked away. A well-deserved summer break is on the horizon, and we'll see you again soon. For iPads and before handling, that's not handling. Hold on. Shuddy.